Welcome. I wanted to do a stretch, relax, and rejuvenate 15-minute workout. So this is a feel good. Feel free to do this in the morning or when you're waking up and you need to loosen up your body, or to do this in the evening before bed when you just want to stretch and get those muscles nice and limber. Very simple, basic, easy to follow, nothing required, no shoes. I got some really awesome, peaceful music. My name is Angie Fitness TV. Let's go. Hello everyone, my name is Angie Fitness TV. Let's rejuvenate, relax, and get our muscles nice and open, and let's just feel good. Deep breath in. And a nice exhale. Nice movement of our body today. A big inhale. And exhale one more time. Deepest breath. Breath will guide us. A big inhale. And a big exhale. Let's just begin. Nice slow sways. Side to side. So we're tapping our toes side to side. We're swaying our arms side to side. Just beginning to get that body nice and warm. So your arms, your shoulders are melted away from your ears. You're just very easily swaying side to side. Arms are dead weight. All right, now right arm begins to just cross your body and back. Go on your own timing. So this is an effortless movement. Left hand can be on that left hip. Just reaching, swaying, opening up. If I move too fast, I want you to slow it down. Now begin to circle. Begin to circle. One more wherever you're at. Hands on your hips. Just sway those hips side to side. We're not using our hands. Just side to side, getting some movement in through your midsection. How often do you sit and do this little sway side to side with your hips? Now let's get your left arm. Just effortless, just really reaching, opening up. Now just circle in your own timing. One more, hands on your hips, right here. Just begin little side to side movements, right here. Just getting warm. Now, if you want, touch the top of your thighs, right here. Now, I'm going to show you an option if you're more flexible, right here. If not, you're going to touch the tops of your thighs. Or you may want to come here. All right. Right here, interlace your fingers behind and chest expansion. Yes. Sit in this chest expansion right here. Bodies, we've had couple minutes to get it nice and warm and some blood flowing. So now it's time to start opening up. I'm opening up and through your chest right now. All right. Take your hands down and glide that right hand up and over to the side. Left hand can come under. Look up to the ceiling. And now switch sides. One more time. Glide up and over. Look up at the ceiling and open up. And other side. Look up to the ceiling. Take that right foot behind. Left arm up and over. Iliotibial band stretch. You can look up at the ceiling. Take that left foot behind the right. Left hand up, right hand under. Look at the ceiling. Iliotibial band stretch. Right all along your side. And interlace your fingers, come to a wall. Set your butt on the wall. Set your spine on the wall. Walk it down. So your butt is on the wall. You just walked it down, put a bend in your knee. Place palm up, hand under your feet on your toes if you want. And press. Or feel free to hold each elbow. So we're on a wall, our butt, we feel the butt and the wall touching. You have a bend in your knees if you cannot straighten your legs. Bend in the knees if you cannot straighten your legs. Everyone, bend your knee now and straighten. It's just going to allow you to go deeper in the stretch, working the posterior chain of our body, calf, hamstrings, glutes, low back. Let gravity pull that upper body down and release. Place a bend in your knee, hands on top of your thighs, roll it up. One vertebra at a time. Shoulders up, back, and away from your ears. Step away from the wall. Left foot on the ground, right hand grabs that right foot. Hold on to a wall. You can be thumb up, out to your side, or thumb up, arm forward. Hold on to a wall if you need to. And down. Left hand, left foot. Hold on to the wall, side or front. Step that left foot down, step it back, right toe up. Thumbs up, reach in front like you're holding a ball. Right toe up. Getting a nice stretch in the right calf, right hamstring, right glute. Come up. Left heel down, left toe up. Thumbs up. Sit back. Melt your shoulders away from your ears. Hold that ball. Come up. Feet in a semi-plie position. Fingertips to the ceiling. Reach over to the right. Fingertips to the ground. Reach over to the left and come up. One more time. Reach to the right. Fingertips to the ground. Reach to the left and up. Now let's reverse. Reach to the left. Fingertips to the ground. Reach to the right. Up to the ceiling. One more time. Reach to the left. Reach to the ground, reach to the right, and come up. Left hand grabs that right wrist, up and over. Small press up and over to open up. Feel free to look at the ceiling. Right hand grabs the left wrist, lift, come over, Gentle pull, turn, look at the ceiling, open up. It's all about opening. Got 4.5 minutes left, guys. Come on up, right ear, right shoulder. Left ear, left shoulder. One more time, right ear, right shoulder. Left ear, left shoulder. Head center, chin to the ceiling. Chin to the ground. One more time, chin to the ceiling. Chin to the ground. Grab one shoulder, grab above or below the elbow. Nice shoulder stretch. The goal of this 15-minute rejuvenate, relax, and renew class is to just open up in through the joints. So step 1, get the body warm. Step 2, let's get some dynamic movement. Step 3, let's open up in through the joints while we're already warm. Grab behind, nice tricep stretch. Just breathe. This music is very relaxing. Just breathe, open up, renew, let the energy flow through you. Left arm, opening up and through your left shoulder blade. Be very mindful of your breathing. Left tricep stretch. Hands on your thighs, on the insides of your knees. Look over your left shoulder. Look over your right shoulder. Look over your left shoulder. Look over your right shoulder. All right, guys, put your fingertips. You have your feet wide. Right hand in the center. Left fingertips are going to the ceiling. Your gaze is looking at the ceiling. Left hand down in the center. Follow your right fingertips, gaze, and look at the ceiling. One more time each side. Right hand down. Follow your left hand. The gaze follows your fingers. Left hand in the center. Follow your right hand, right fingertips. Hands on the ground. Grab your elbows one last time. Let gravity pull the back side of your body down. You're in a wide stance here. You're holding onto your elbows. Put a soft bend in your knees if you need to. And let your body hang. Really stretching out your body. Put a bend in your knees. Place your hands on the tops of your thighs. Roll it up one vertebra at a time. Elbow rolls back. Breathing, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Now big circles. And reverse the big circles. Go as fast or as slow as you need to go. Put your hands on your hips, toe heel in. I want you to put a soft bend in your knees. Let's get some mobility through the hips. Soft bend in your knees. Roll hands on the hips. Roll the hips back, side, forward. Back, side, forward. Last minute. So I want you to really put your hands on your hips. Feel the back, feel the side, feel the front. So soft bend in your knees, and do not want your knees locked out. And reverse. Just reverse. Getting some good movement in through that low back, glute, and that hip region. One more. Hold on to a wall if you need to. I want you to circle. tap. So you're moving that hip out and in. Hold on to a wall if you need to. I'm moving the femur in through your hip socket. So you're moving it. Now let's go to the other side, 4 rolls. So just roll, getting some range of motion in through this joint right here. One more wherever you're at. Stand up tall, deep breath in. And exhale 2 more times. Pretty deep, guys. Big inhale. And exhale 1 more time. You should feel really good right now. Big inhale. And a big exhale. Anytime you're doing any of my workouts and you're really sore when you wake up, or you need something to just kind of get your soreness out right before bed, this is a great workout with great relaxing, calming music. And the goal of this workout is just to get warm, dynamically move, loosen up the muscles, loosen up and open up the joints. I hope you liked it. Please be sure to share, subscribe, and comment. My name is Angie, Angie Fitness TV. Comment, let me know what you thought and how are you feeling after this workout. I'll see you for our next workout together.